As of right now, Earth is the only place in the entire universe where life is known to exist. We've been searching far and wide, Mars, Venus, Titan, Europa, and yet so far, we've found nothing. But when you stop to consider that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand here on Earth, and nearly every star has its own planets, it's hard to imagine that Earth is the only inhabited world. So, what if there are places out there that are not just habitable, but superhabitable? Could there be planets that are bigger, better, and more suited for life than Earth? Imagine a planet twice the size of Earth, nestled in the habitable zone of its star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. This massive rocky world, known as KOI 5715.01, is a prime candidate for being a superhabitable world. With so much more land than Earth, the potential for life to thrive is immense. The vast expanses of land would mean diverse ecosystems, more habitats for different forms of life, and an overall richer biosphere. KOI 5715.01 orbits an orange dwarf star, a type of star that is smaller and more stable than our own Sun. Unlike our G-type main sequence star, which only lasts about 10 billion years, an orange dwarf can hang around for up to 70 billion years. Life on Earth has been evolving for about 4 billion years. Imagine what life might look like after 70 billion years of evolution. This is when the civilizations could reach unimaginable heights, potentially harnessing energy on a scale we can barely conceive, perhaps even building Dyson spheres around their stars. The extended lifespan of the orange dwarf star means more time for evolution and development, leading to potentially more complex and advanced life forms. However, there's a catch. KOI 5715.01 is 3,000 light-years away. Even with our most advanced spacecraft, it would take us over 100,000 years to get there. This vast distance puts it far beyond our current reach, making it a distant dream for now. The technological and logistical challenges of traveling such a distance are monumental, requiring advances in propulsion, life support, and perhaps even new physics. For now, this planet remains a tantalizing possibility, a vision of what could be if we were ever to achieve the capability to traverse such vast distances. So, let's turn our gaze a little closer to home. Just 39 light-years away lies the TRAPPIST-1 system, a potential haven for life with 7 Earth-sized planets tightly orbiting their star, 3 of which are in the habitable zone. Discovered in 2017, astronomers have been tirelessly studying this system ever since. The excitement around the TRAPPIST-1 system stems from its unique arrangement and the possibility that it harbors life. The TRAPPIST-1 planets were detected using the transit method, which involves observing the slight dimming of a star's brightness as planets pass in front of it. These planets are older than Earth, giving life there a significant head start. TRAPPIST-1e, the 4th planet from the star, is particularly intriguing. It's slightly smaller than Earth but has the right conditions for liquid water and possibly a thick oxygen atmosphere, potentially even better for life than our own. The idea of a thicker oxygen atmosphere suggests a world where life could be abundant and diverse, possibly even more so than on Earth. Living in the TRAPPIST-1 system would be very different from life on Earth. The planets orbit a tiny red dwarf star similar to the size of Jupiter, meaning they are so much closer to their star than we are to ours. This proximity could mean that the planets are tidally locked, with one side perpetually facing the star and the other in constant darkness. If conditions are right, a narrow strip of land between these extremes could be perfect for life. This unique environment would create a fascinating and alien landscape, with potential for diverse and specialized ecosystems. What makes the TRAPPIST-1 system even more fascinating is the possibility of seeing the other planets up close in the sky. Imagine looking up and seeing neighboring planets so close that you could almost touch them, taking vacations to different planets as if they were just different countries. This could be humanity's future, a reality within our grasp. The close proximity of these planets would also allow for relatively easier interplanetary travel, making the idea of multi-planetary civilization more feasible. Kepler-452b is often called Earth 2.0 because of its striking similarities to our home planet. It orbits a sun-like star every 384 days, making its year only slightly longer than ours. This super-Earth is about 50% bigger than Earth, with larger continents and potentially more water. The similarities to Earth make it a prime candidate for hosting life as we know it. However, there are some significant differences. Kepler-452b is 5 times more massive than Earth, meaning gravity would feel twice as strong, making everyone weigh twice as much. This increased gravity could have profound effects on the physiology of any potential inhabitants, possibly resulting in shorter, stockier life forms. Interestingly, it's the only planet in the system which might actually be beneficial. While Jupiter is thought to protect Earth from asteroids, recent simulations suggest that a solar system without a gas giant might experience fewer asteroid collisions. This could make Kepler-452b a safer place to live, free from the constant threat of devastating impacts. But it's not all good news. Kepler-452b's star is older and more energetic than our Sun, potentially causing the planet to receive too much radiation. This could lead to a runaway greenhouse effect, transforming it into a hostile environment like Venus. Despite its allure, Kepler-452b might not be the paradise we're looking for. The increased radiation could strip away the atmosphere, leaving the surface barren and inhospitable. Our journey ends 600 light-years away in the constellation of Cygnus with Kepler-22b, one of the most intriguing super-Earths ever discovered. Kepler-22b lies within the habitable zone, and observations suggest it could be a true water world, akin to Miller's planet from the movie Interstellar. Imagine a planet covered by a vast, deep ocean, teeming with life forms that we can only dream of. The sheer volume of water could provide a vast and rich environment for marine life to evolve and thrive. The prospect of life in the depths of Kepler-22b's ocean is fascinating. Strange, alien fish and other sea creatures could be swimming in these waters, evolving in ways that are entirely different from life on Earth. The unique conditions of a deep ocean world could lead to the development of life forms with extraordinary adaptations, such as bioluminescence, extreme pressure tolerance, and other features we can hardly imagine. If humans ever reach Kepler-22b, we could discover an entirely new world of marine life, unlike anything we've ever seen. The exploration of such an ocean would be a monumental challenge, requiring advanced underwater technology and potentially even new methods of communication and navigation. But the rewards could be immense, offering insights into the adaptability of life and the potential for life in extreme environments. The search for superhabitable worlds continues to inspire and challenge us, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and imagination. While these planets may be far out of reach for now, they fuel our dreams and our quest for discovery, reminding us of the vast possibilities that lie beyond our own blue planet. So, where would you want to move if given the chance? Each of these planets offers a unique glimpse into what life beyond Earth could look like, from the massive, stable world of KOI 5715.01 to the tightly packed, fascinating TRAPPIST-1 system, the almost familiar yet strange Kepler-452b, and the oceanic wonder of Kepler-22b. The universe is full of possibilities. As we continue our search for superhabitable worlds, we are reminded of the vastness and mystery of the universe. While these planets may be far out of reach for now, they fuel our imagination and drive our quest for discovery. For now, we'll stay here on Earth, our only known cradle of life, and dream about what might be out there waiting for us to find.